In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use a ready-made template, customize what gets imported, and switch between helpful invoice views like due dates, payment status, and client breakdowns. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to your main overview area in your chosen team space. This is your central hub, and it's where we'll access the invoice template. Once you're on the overview page, look towards the highlighted section in the interface. This is usually where ClickUp surfaces helpful options like views, docs, or templates. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area so we can move into the templates section. Next, select the templates option. This is where ClickUp stores reusable setups for lists, docs, and more. Using a template saves you from building your invoice system from scratch and keeps things consistent across clients and projects. When the template gallery opens, look for the area that's highlighted in your interface. Click on that highlight to choose the invoice template you want to work with. Now click Use Template. This tells ClickUp you want to add this invoice setup into your workspace. After that, you'll see another highlighted option to fine-tune where the template will live. Click on this highlight and then select the team space where you want your invoices to be created. Choosing the right team space keeps your invoices organized and visible to the right people. You may see a couple more highlighted options as ClickUp walks you through the import. Click on each highlighted area to move forward until you reach the option called Customize Import Items. Click this so you can decide exactly what parts of the template you want to bring in, such as tasks, fields, or views. Next, choose Remap Dates. This is important so that any sample dates in the template are shifted to match your current timeline, rather than keeping old or irrelevant dates. When you're happy with your selections, click Use Template again to finalize the import. Once the template is applied, you'll see different invoice views. Click on Paid Income to see invoices that have already been paid and to get a quick sense of your revenue. Then click on Invoice Due Date to view invoices organized by when they're due, which helps you prioritize follow-ups. You can also click on Overdue to immediately see which invoices are past their due date and may need attention. Finally, select the Invoice by Client view to see your invoices grouped by client, making it easy to review billing history and outstanding amounts for each one.